Yes, now guys, I want to start cooking. I've set my fire and I'm going to cook. These are white ants. I don't know if you can see it well, but I think if I pour some here, you can see them. These are white ants. So I'm going to cook and I ate it. So in Africa, you can do everything. Men can cook and women can cook. So you can also cook for yourself or you decide to eat from the restaurant. So I have set my fire and here is my saucepan, very clean. All I need, I'm going to put it here on fire. Then I will put water. Like for me, I'm alone. Can put 1.5 cup of water so that I can mingle my posho, that is our local posho, which is made out of cassava dry. Then they grind with grinding machines or grinding mills. Then now we can cook. So all that process I am going to show you here. So let me add water here. Yes, I have put 1 cup. Let me add another cup. This is, so those ones are enough for me. Let's cover it so that it can boil very fast. Yes, as that happens, I've already removed stones from my white ants. I've already removed stones. This looks too much. Yeah, but of course, I'm not going to just eat it all today. So let me add this here. Guys, I am here alone. My partner is not here. She's also somewhere. Of course, you know, in a family, you have to, both of you can try the level best to look for the future. That's why some of you may say, I am selfish, I am cooking alone. But no, this is because we are not together currently. Then now here, after selecting, the next step that you have to do is to pour water to wash. But I'm not going to pour water now. I have to first wait until I finish the process of making my kalo. After mingling, that's when I will pour water here. Then I wash and I fry it. So the way you fry is like frying it like let me say like nuts. If you want to eat fried nuts, just so that is how we fry with salt. Then now we start eating. All that I'm going to show you in this video. All you need not to skip or to move away out of this video. We are going to see that all. Let's go to the next step. Guys, our water is now boiling. As you can see, it is boiling. So now I need to get my flour. So this is my flour. As you can see, it is mixed with sorghum. Yeah. Yes, now we need to remove, but I think before, let's first pour water on our winged termites so that they can soften somehow. That one is not enough. We need to add. Yes, that is it. Now this, we need to first remove some water. Then now we put flour. See how it is boiling. At least you put some maximum flour, the one you know that can make it look good. Yeah. Now we need to start mingling it. Let's add more flour. You have to keep mixing it until it changes. Until it changes to at least to red. You can see it is now changing. It is getting ready. And make sure that you leave it on fire. When you're doing this, you leave it on fire. Let's add more because it looks soft. I think that one can now be enough. Let's continue mixing it. Yes, you can see it is now ready. Let's first rotate it one more time. Yeah, now we need to put it in the plate. You can see how it is now. So let's put it in this plate. This is mingling stick, you can see, made out of timber. Let's continue with our process. Wow. Let's open. It is now okay. See the saucepan. That is fire, but of course, we need to pour water here to make it soft. Then we clean it again to make it back to how it was before we started using it. So now we have to continue with the next process. This is our fire. See how hot it is. You can see how it is hot. Now we put our saucepan. Now the thing that we want is this winged termites or white ants. So we are going to wash. We wash. Now we have to put in the saucepan. You can see that's how we put. That saucepan is not having anything. That is just fire. Let's keep adding. Let's keep adding. So we are done washing. You can see our dish is now not having anything and everything is now here. So we should now keep at least to fry, whereby we shall keep turning it until that water dries, and it dries and it gets more ready. So let's keep going. Okay, let's keep. Now we shall keep doing this, frying it until it dries. There's nothing here, as you can see. Nothing, totally no water, no water. That's how we fry it. Till it dries. Then here we need to put salt. We need to put salt when it is here like this. Let's pick salt. Salt is here. So this is salt. Pick like this. Then we can add. Pick more. Then we add. I think that one is enough. So now we need to remix. Just like that. Let's keep mixing. This one should go back. Easy to handle. You can add more salt if you feel like that one is not enough. Yeah, we keep mixing. Of course, we turn from down to up like this, because you know down there we have too much heat. There is too much heat, so you have to pick to turn the ones up, down, so that those ones can also get ready. Let's keep seeing it. Yeah, you know, when you're frying these things, people who know it will know that you're frying white ants. So someone was asking me, telling me, David, you're frying white ants, which is true. Of course, as I have told you, that when you're making, the aroma is so high and it goes very, very, very far. Very, very far, you see, and it is having too much fat. See it? I don't know. You can see. Let's see. You can see. But we shall keep doing it until it gets ready. But of course, you can pick and taste. If you see it like it is drying, you can remove it from fire. But this one is still. Let's first taste. Almost, but it is not so dry the way we want. So you can keep doing it. Let's give it some few 5 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes, and we remove it from fire. Almost getting ready. And of course, the process is not the way I started. You can start it in this very way by mingling your kalo, which is a bread. We call it in our language atapa. That is in Iteso. Or you can start by frying this, then I will go to the other step. But of course, it is you to choose, but this one looks easy. So if the other one is done, now when you're done, like now this one, you can even start eating it because it is already there. It is ready now, but I just needed to have 1 more minute, then I remove it from fire. because I want it to dry somehow. Let's see. Yeah, let's taste again. Very okay. Salt is enough. It is ready. Very okay. Guys, our thing is now ready. We need to remove it from fire. Let's remove it. Create some space. Now, my man. That is it. And fire is still here. Let's put another sauce here. This one I want it to be warm. You can see that. Right, it is now time to eat. Let's have our white ants. White ants. So I'm going to show you how we eat this. So all this one is remaining. This one all is remaining. So let's see how we are going to eat. So now we are ready to go. So this one just needed as a backup. Just needed something that is muchono, and I added some too much tomatoes, but that's what I wanted. Now we have our winged termites. We have our kalo, which is, we call it in Iteso, that atap. So now we are going to eat. We can pick this or you start by this. So now let's see how we do it. So now this is how we eat. We're going to pick this and we put in the mouth. So we are going to put in the mouth like this. You chew it. Then of course you pick color as I showed you. Then you eat, you bite. Just like that. So that's how we eat this white ants in our tribe, that is in Iteso. It is very nice, enjoyable. So that is it, how we eat and we finish this. It is now hard, as I can show you. See, not so hard where you cannot eat, but it is soft. It is in a good size, you can see. So guys, subscribe, like, share for more videos. In the next coming periods, I'm going to take you far. This is just the beginning of these videos, but of course I'm going to take you to the very big places where we can get interesting things, local food, local everything. Let's meet